How to restore iPhone from iCloud backup. Step 1. To restore iCloud, your iPhone needs to be in setup mode. If it's not, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, erase all content and settings. Step 2. Once your phone restarts, follow the on-screen setup steps, language, region, Wi-Fi. When you reach app and data, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Step 3. Sign in with your Apple ID. You'll see a list of available backups. Pick the one you want based on the date and device name. Step 4. Your iPhone will now download your backup depending on size and Wi-Fi speed. This can take minutes to an hour. Keep it plugged in and connected. Once it's done, your iPhone will look just like before. Photos, apps, messages, all restored. And that's it.